Hey Math Monsters, Ms. Briscoe here. Alright, so hopefully you're looking for Level 1 DIY 1. If you don't have this piece of paper yet, press pause, go to your Level 1 box, and get out DIY 1. Alright, so on this DIY, you guys are going to be showing what you know about writing your numbers 1 to 50. Yep, from 1 to 50. So I'm going to model just the first row and a little bit into the second row. So I'm going to start with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay? You'll notice I'm at the end of the row. Just like in reading, we read from left to right and then we swoop to the front. Watch that again. We start here, we work our way across this way. When we get to the end, we swoop to the beginning of the next row. So now I'm thinking, what number comes right after 10? Okay, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and so on until you get all the way to the number 50. Now, if you're like my classroom, I bet in Miss Hayes and Miss Brown's room, there are probably numbers somewhere in your classroom, so that if you forget which way a number faces, you can go and check. You might even have a hundreds chart somewhere in your classroom. So if you forget which way a number looks, you can go check out those sources that you have in your classroom. Hundreds chart, maybe it's a number line, maybe it's just numbers hanging up in your room, so that you can help write your numbers 1 all the way to 50. Can't wait to see what you have to show us.